This is the summary created from the video, Lecture 56 Cloud Computing in 5G Era. The video explores the integration of a DC microgrid with the AC grid, focusing on energy management between the DC and AC buses. A grid-tied DC microgrid hardware test bed with sensors measures voltage and current, feeding data to a DSP controller. The control logic for generating PWM pulses to switch the inverter is explained, detailing the interface between the DC microgrid and AC grid. DC bus voltage regulation and AC current reference generation are outlined, with error processing through PI resonant controllers and control parameter tuning for stability. A hardware setup emulates a grid-tied DC microgrid, with PV battery and DC loads simulated using Opal RT. A power amplifier creates a PHIL loop to mimic DC microgrid behavior, while a programmable grimulator connected to a bidirectional DC-AC inverter simulates the AC grid. The control logic is implemented on a TMS320F28379 DSP controller. The DC microgrid is emulated using a power amplifier and Opal RT, with a master subsystem for power sources and control algorithms, and a console subsystem for real-time varying variables. The IGBT stack interfaces the DC bus with the AC grid and load, while the module focuses on implementing the control system in the DSP controller. The interfacing converter control system, implemented in the DSP controller, connects the AC grid and DC microgrid. Test cases involving the interfacing converter are demonstrated, with the DC bus voltage maintained at 400 V despite varying power flows. Bidirectional energy exchange between the AC and DC systems is observed, with current magnitude increasing as DC loads decrease. The video concludes by highlighting the key benefits of developing control systems for DC microgrids using low-cost DSP controllers, enabling renewable energy grid integration. Bidirectional power flow between AC and DC systems is demonstrated, with DC bus voltage regulation and current control algorithms being crucial. The hardware testbed verifies control performance via real-time emulation with applications in microgrids, renewables and DSP controls. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.